Right there, YouTube. I'm still behind the military base. Right there. Third military helicopter I've seen. I haven't been up here longer than, not even close to an hour yet. I actually think it's watching me. Look at that plume back on the mountain. That is weird. Two military helicopters, a plume, one of them things shooting at a mountain, all within 20 minutes I've been up here. There's that white helicopter. I'm exactly right behind the military base. Finally got it. I don't know where the other two went, but this one landed in the field for some reason. There's the military base that's in front of it right now. That whole thing that's in front of it is the military base. No idea what it's doing. The Hold on, I'm hiding behind trees here. I don't want to get in trouble. Right there's the military base. Right there's one of them helicopters. I'm right behind the military base, and so I get a better shot of the helicopter. It's right there, back there, YouTube.